Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys why your TikTok video has no views, alright? So there's gonna be a couple of settings which you guys need to do in order to have your TikTok videos views. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, go to the video which has no views. So in my case, let's say I go to this video with 0 views. I click on it, and over here I click on the 3 dot at the side of the video, and I go on where it says side and click on where it says privacy setting. And on privacy setting, where it says who can watch this video, I click on it and make sure it's set on everyone, which means everyone can see this video. If it is on yourself, then only you can view it, no one else can. And if it is on friends, only those people who follow you can see it. But if it is on everyone, then those people who follow you and unfollow you can see it, alright? It means public. So make sure to do that. And when you're uploading a video as well, make sure to do this setting. So click on the plus icon to upload a video. So I'm just gonna choose a random video over here. And when you're uploading the video, over here where it says visible to everyone, click on it and make sure it's set on everyone, alright? If it is on yourself, only you can view it. If it is on friends, only your friends can view it. If it is on everyone, everyone can view it. And once you click on post, once the video is posted, everybody can see it. So in that way, your videos can get views on TikTok. And the other problem could be go on profile at the bottom and click on the 3 line at the top. Go on setting and privacy, go on privacy, make sure private account is turned off. Private account, if it is on, then only those people who follow you can see your video. But if it is off, then anyone who even follows you or doesn't follow you can watch your video, right? It means you guys have a public account, and if you have a public account, your videos can get more views rather than a private account, alright? So that's how we guys can fix why you don't have views on TikTok. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.